Here's another fan favorite Louis Vuitton fact for you.
Did you know that the Louis Vuitton Monogram Canvas is the most popular and highly recognizable patterns in all of pattern design? Entirely waterproof once zipped, durable and simply stunning, the Louis Vuitton Monogram Canvas is made out of coated cotton canvas treated with PVC or polyvinyl chloride, printed with LV's famous dark brown print design, fashioned with a repeating LV insignias. It also comes with another variation with its checkerboard looking sister, the Mieux Ebene canvas. If you may have noticed, Louis Vuitton doesn't do that much on concentrated marketing. They simply just create products that are exceptional in their design and craftsmanship. Their products themselves are doing the marketing, and not all brands in the entire world could achieve such a feat.
And that, my friends, is why Louis Vuitton is considered the best.